Hi everyone, welcome once again back to Farms Beauty Blog. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, please don't forget to point on the notification. If you subscribe, you don't need to see the notification button, so you can just comment. Welcome back. Today we are going to do a review on Face Candy Vice Palette, and then on Makeup Classic or Classic Makeup USA foundations. So here's the Vice Candy, the HD Classic Makeup USA, and then its lipstick. So these are the colors I'm going to be using. They are the colors. So you start by applying them several times. You don't go just one. You add and add and add. You pack it till you get the color you want. Wow, yes, wow, it's so pigmented. It's so beautiful. Then my double catch crease. Tried the double catch crease for the first time, and it was nice. I really loved it. As a beginner, I really loved it. Yes. So that's my cat crease, and then I'm applying the lighter color, lighter purple up there to get my first cat crease. Then I'll go in with my second cat crease. Yes, with my second color. That is it. It's very pigmented. See, just a little, and then it is all out there, and I'm really loving the look. To the HD foundation, a little, just a little. I'm not applying too much because I want a full coverage. And then I'm going in with my beauty blender. I blend if you really want it to come out right. And that's beautiful right here. It's really blended out. Don't forget to add up to your neck so that your shades don't look different. And I'm loving it. Yes, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling my makeup. Ooh, and that's the palette for highlight and contour. Yeah, applying the lighter shades underneath my eye. I actually didn't contour with a pro concealer or anything. I just went in straight with the palette. And that's the darker shade to give me a little bit of lift on my cheekbone. And that is it. It's really coming out. It really looks nice. And I'll actually recommend this palette to anybody, especially we women of color. It's really nice. And then the highlights. Wow, the color really came out really nice. I'm loving it. What? And onto my lipstick. The lipstick is really nice. I'm loving the shade. I'm loving how it really comes out. I'll actually recommend their product to anybody because it's really nice. If you like dark colors, jump into their lipstick kits. You'll get your shade. It's really beautiful. I think I'll be doing a swatches on their lipsticks one of these days. Yes, I think I'll do that. Adding a little bit of lip gloss for the color to pop. And it's so amazing. Yes, I'm loving it. Actually love my look. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Love ya.